Okay brothers, okay guys, let's tell you in this video I'll show you how to add Arabic language to this Windows PE or my Windows PE. I'll show you step by step how to add Arabic language to this Windows. Okay, this is my project for today, is to add Arabic language, but the next video will be for all the Arab countries, not Arab, foreign countries like Hindi, India, Bengali India, and also Filipino, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, and all of the other countries. I'll show them how to add their native language to this Windows PE. But in this video, I'll only care how to add Arabic to this Windows PE. First, I'll start my video with, let's arrange this one. There is a folder called ARSA. This actually is not exists inside my Windows folder. The one under Windows folder, the other one under System 32. Let's start to copy this, the one under Windows folder, to the same location inside my Windows PE. My Windows PE already exists now. Currently working Windows PE is under this partition X. So I'll copy all of these required files to under Windows folder inside my X partition. So copy to folder. I'll choose X partition, I'll choose Windows folder, just copy. It's copy very fast because it's a very small size. The other one is the same ARSA, should be copied to System 32, but there is the missing DLL files on keyboard for Saudi Arabia here already mentioned. So all of these files should be copied to System 32, and this one also keyboard for the United States already exists in this system. That's why we will exclude this file during this copying process. This because keyboard for United States already exists. Only the keyboard for Saudi Arabia is missing. So all of these files should be copied to System 32. I'll go to under Windows. I'll go to System 32 like this. So I'll copy all of these files. It will not give me a message with replacing any files because only this files already exists. Because if I copy this file, I'll get a message this file already exists, so he will ask me replace. I'll say no because it already exists. Copy to folder, the same location for the one I'm talking about. So I'll go to, so he said replace, that's why. So it's better to remove this one because it's already exists in my Windows PE, so no need to copy this one. Okay, let's go again to what the other steps should be. This is a registry keys. Actually there is three locations inside the registry should be modified, and this is a screenshots for all these locations should be modified. Okay, to enable writing in Arabic in this Windows PE. This is the first location for CTF, and this is the exact full path for this location. We already added this 401, this for Saudi Arabia Arabic, to add to this Windows PE. So that's all. Okay, I merged all of these three registry keys, and in one registry key, just double click to apply this registry. It will give me okay, that's already I merged with this system. It's only one command is missing to apply it. What is this command? Is WPE util set keyboard layout 0401 and ended for 5 zeros and ended 401. It means this is also for the keyboard, this is for the language Arabic, and this is for the keyboard layout. So that's why it will be applied to my system to enable me to write in Arabic inside this Windows. So the command give me a message that's complete successfully to enable Saudi Arabia Arabic to this my Windows PE. That's all in this video I already mentioned and apply it to my system. Now I can write in my this Microsoft Office 2007. It will be start. So now I can write in this Office in Arabic language. So you will see the cursor of writing will be, and the Arabic will start in Arabic. Okay, and also Arabic becomes the default language in this my Windows PE. So I'll open Microsoft Word. So now the cursor in Arabic now. So I'll make it at the right side. Okay. So I'll Control A and Control D. I'll maximize the font up to 20, or it's better to make it 25. and I'll make it bold. Okay, then I'll start writing in Arabic language. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تمام. This is in Arabic. I can see now I can write in Arabic and also okay, this is at the right. Control E to make it at the center, and also this one Control E to make it at the center. Control A, I can make it bold. I can maximize these things, and I can modify. It's very easy, and also I can add frame to this Microsoft Word. So this page border, I'll go to any frame and I add this frame. Now everything is okay, and also I can save this file to the desktop at the left side. So I save. So Microsoft Word, this is the new Microsoft Word I created. So you can achieve your goal by writing in your native language. This video is about all of these attachments will be available under this video. You can download all of these things. And also the next video will be about the native language for the other language for Hindi and Bengali, Filipino, simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese. This is the next video. I'll show them how to add their native language to this Windows PE if they wanna achieve this goal. So now we reach to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye right now, and see you later in another video. Thanks for watching and have a nice time.